Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson we are going to finalize our design. We are going to prototype the search screen and we are going to fix some of the issues that you have faced previously, and I told you that you are going to fix them at the end. Now you are going to group everything together, everything that is related to the search screen. Everything that is locked is not related to the search screen. Everything that is unlocked is related to the search screen. So we are going to group them all together. So this will be the search overlay. As you can see, one of the things that we forgot to include it is the background. It's locked. We forgot that we locked it. We can easily unlock it. Just click on the lock icon and then we are going to move it inside the group. Now we have everything in the group. But as you can see, the background is above everything now. I want it to be below everything. This is the background. Move it below everything inside the group, the search group. Okay, now we have everything grouped together. We can just select it and move it around. This is just to make sure that we have grouped the right things together. Okay. The next thing that we are going to do, I'm going to group the search icon on all of the screens. I'll go to the design and select this search icon with the background. We are going to group them together to make it one icon. Right click and group together. We are going to do it for this one as well. And for all of other screens. We'll do it for this as well. Right click and group. We want this to act like one icon. So background and the icon together to act like one icon. Okay, perfect. Now we can go to the prototype mode and we are going to connect the search icon to the search screen like this. We will use tap trigger. This time we will use transition, not auto animate, and then we will use slide left or right. You can use both of them. You will do the same for this one. Just connect it and you should have the same settings already set for this one as well. And you're going to connect these as well. Okay, now let's play. I will select on this artboard and we're going to play it. Before we test the search icon, as you can see, there is a problem over here. Things are fading out and in when you are scrolling, especially in the Nike home. As you can see, there is somehow a fade effect when you're moving between Adidas and Nike, and also between Nike screens when you scroll. Now let's finish our search prototyping. We are going to fix that later. If we click on the search icon, we will have this search screen coming from the left, which is very nice. But we will need an icon or an arrow to go back from the search screen. You can go to the icon for design and search for the arrow. Or we can do something else actually. We have already used an arrow, which is over here. I'll just click on it, press on the command or control until you're able to select it. Now you have selected, Control C, and then come over here, Control V. I'm going to move it up. And now we will connect this to the first home screen. So we are going to go to the prototype mode. And I'm going to connect this to the first screen. Select it. Or actually, I changed my mind. Let's disconnect this. We are going to use another setting. I'll click over here. And instead of auto animate, I will use previous artboard. So you have several artboards that has the search icon. Whenever you click on the search icon, it will take you to the screen for the search. And when you click on back, it will take you to that artboard that you came from, not always to the same artboard. But now it's not working. Obviously, we have some issues. I'll just close this and you're going to fix this. Let me close this one. I'll come over here. As you can see, we accidentally connected this to the same artboard. I will just disconnect, click on it and move it to the side to disconnect. And then we are going to change the trigger. So the trigger for this one is obviously the wrong one. It's a keyboard gamepad. We are going to make sure to make it tap. Now if we play it, it will always take us to the screen that we came from. So this will take us to Adidas again. If you are on the Nike and go to the search, it will take us to the Nike again, and so on. Okay, we are done with the search prototype. Now we need to fix this issue, this fade in and fade out of these cards and the quick search, and also the menu. So the first thing I'm going to fix is the menu. I'm going to group the menu in the first home screen, and then I'll replace for all of other screens. And this will cause an issue for us. All of the prototyping will go away, but we need to do it all over again. This is the only one that we can fix this issue. As you can see, it's already grouped. So we are going to copy this, and also we are going to do the quick search and the other card only for the home screens, because we have the issue with that as well. So what I'm going to do, I will remove everything about the menu in this artboard. And we are going to copy this one and paste it over here. Click on the name of the artboard and paste it. And then we are going to remove this quick search. As we said, we are going to replace this as well for the home screen. Copy this and paste it over here. And we are going to do it for these cards as well. So I'll remove all of this. And then I'm going to copy this one. It's already grouped. If it's not grouped, you make sure to group it together and paste it over here. And now what I'm going to do is to do the same thing for all of the screens. I'm going to speed up the process. You just follow me. Okay, perfect. Now you have done all of the home screens. Now you will go to the other screens. For the other screens, we are going to only do the menu bar. I'm going to copy it from here and come to the single product preview. You're going to remove everything about the menu bar. Just remove them like this. And we're going to paste our menu over here. For this one as well, we're going to remove it. Remove everything. It's a bit hard to select this one. Click on the Command or Control and click until you are able to select the background, which is this one. I just removed that. This one as well. Let's remove and remove. Let's paste our menu. But one thing, don't forget, you need to move the red square. It should go to the heart or to the favorite icon, which is this one. Let's do it for this one as well. I will remove everything. Then we are going to paste and move this red square. Oh, sorry. We will move this red square to the profile. And we'll do the same thing for this one. Remove everything. And paste it over here. Okay, now let's play and see what we have. Okay, now the scrolling animation is working just fine. We don't have that fading effect on the other items. It means we have fixed it. But then we have lost all of the prototyping that we've done for the menu bar. So as you can see, nothing is working. Only the first screen, you can go to the favorite. Others doesn't work. So we need to do it for all of them again. We need to do the prototyping. Okay, so we are going to go to the prototype and we are going to start from here. I will start from the second screen. We need to connect the heart icon to the favorite screen. Just double click until you're able to select it. connect it to the favorites, which is this one, and use this auto animate, not transition, and everything else will be the same. For this one as well, we are going to connect to the favorite. And let's do it for this one as well. And this one. So we'll do it for all of the screens. All of them should be connected to the favorite. So when we press on the heart, no matter which screen you are in, it will take us to the favorite. Before I connect the other screen to the favorite, I'm going to connect the favorite to the home screen. So when you click on the home screen or home icon, it will take you to the home screen. Connect it like this and use these settings. I'm actually going to connect the cart to the cart screen and profile to the profile screen. Okay. And we need to do this for all of the screens. So we need to make the connection between all of them. So I will go to the second screen, which is this one. I will connect this to the cart and profile to the profile. And the same thing for this one. It's a bit hard to select the small icons sometimes. You just need to click, click, click until you're able to select them. Let's connect this to the card and also the profile to the profile. And we will do it for this as well. We are doing all of this all over again because you had some issues and we need to fix it like this. Sometimes it has to be this way. Okay, connect this as well. We need to establish all of these connections between the screens so we can move between them easily. Now let's do it for the profile. So the home will be connected to the home screen, the first home one, and this one will be connected to the favorite. This one will be connected to the cart. Okay, and that's it. Now let's do it for the cart as well. As you can see, we forgot to move the red square behind the cart icon. We are going to fix that. Let's first connect this to the home icon, and this one to the favorite. This one is cart itself. We're not going to do anything. And this one, we are going to connect it to the profile. Okay. Now let's go to the design mode and I'm going to move this square. It should go behind this one. Okay, I think we established all of the connections between these screens. Now let's play from here. Let's check the scroll. It works. What happened? We can go between Adidas, Puma and Nike. We can open a single product like this. We can go between screens easily, just like this. As you can see, we fixed the issue that we had. Everything is working just perfect. And you can go to the search, come back to where you were. Okay, I think we are done with everything. Let's test everything that we have. We have Adidas, Nike. We have this working. Okay. Let me test all of the pages to see if we forgot anything. As you can see from the cart screen, we didn't connect the home icon to the home screen. I'm going to do that, and we are done with this project. Let's go to the design mode, or actually prototype mode, and we are going to connect this home to the home screen. Okay, now let's together see the final result. One thing that I forgot to do is to connect these onboarding screens to the home screen. So I'm going to click on this login and sign up button. We are going to connect both of them to the home screen, just like this. Now we are going to play it. Click on any of them and you are going to play the artboard. Let's go to the onboarding like this. You can press on the login or register, and then from there you can go to the home screen. Now I will check all of the interaction that we created, make sure that everything works as we want. Let me check the single product preview as well. This one, we created interaction for this one. It works fine. We can go back. And the last thing, I'm going to check the search. This one is working fine as well. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed and learned something new. In the next lesson, I will show you how to run this application on your phone. See you there. Bye bye.